Okay. This won't hurt because the nail's not attached, so just take it off in little pieces.
Okay, yeah. It's hard.
Yep.
Your mother lives in California?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wasn't she a friend of Charlotte Golda Carrots and those names sound familiar to you?
Mm-hmm.
It's probably their maiden names. It's probably
Yeah. She moved away from Minnesota right after high school, so.
Yeah. Oh,
But it is fun when patients come in who.
Are you taking the whole nail off there?
I'm taking off whatever isn't attached.
Okay.
And that's going to make it more comfortable. And then
okay.
Back here, this half that's still attached to the skin, I'm going to thin it out.
Okay.
So you won't win a foot beauty contest,
yeah.
but it's going to be very comfortable.
Okay.
And should you decide that you wanted to, like, put nail polish on all the nails or something,
yeah,
you could definitely just paint this and then paint the skin in front of it, and nobody's going to notice. So you could put nail polish all the way up to here.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Will it grow?
It will continue to grow.
Okay.
It probably, grows pretty slowly.
Yeah.
But the key is that it's not going to give you any discomfort. And it was pushing right up against the skin there.
Yeah.
There's no break in the skin or anything like that there.
Okay.
So.
Yeah.
And it'll feel like a completely different toe from when you walked in. So how does that feel when I press on it now? Does that feel okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's see how you do with that.
Okay.
I mean, the other option, if just keeping it thinned down isn't going to be good enough, we can always remove the whole rest of the nail like they did the two edges a lifetime ago. But let's first just see how that does.
Okay.
And then,
great.
okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Certainly looks better with all that black gone. Yeah.
Yes, yes it does.
Okay.
It looks beautiful.
Okay.
Sometimes I had a hard time falling asleep, especially before big events at work. My mind would race. Rest More allows my mind to relax naturally, and it helps me get to bed at the same time every night. Now I am wide awake at work because I sleep well at night. Thanks, Rest More.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night. Hey folks, this video serves as a great reminder that it's important to have beautiful and elegant nails and to take care of your nails. So treat yourself to a 7-piece manicure set like this. This beautiful kit comes with 2 nail clippers, trimmers, multi-purpose scissors, an ear pick, cuticle trimmers, eyebrow tweezers, and an acne needle. There's an Amazon link below to the kit that's highly recommended by this YouTube channel. Go ahead and check it out and treat yourself to beautiful nails today.